What's going on, everybody? Kenny here, also known as Solid Fan 85. I wanted to walk you guys through something real quick and dirty. If you're having trouble with the PS5 DualSense and it goes out, it'll just shut down for no reason, or if it's having trouble charging, this is pretty much a fix-all for mostly anything from what I've seen. But on the back of the controller, much like with the DualShock 3 and DualShock 4, there is a reset button. This again has been a great save all for me, especially when the controller just shuts down. But you want to take a thumbtack, hold it in, you're going to push it in, and you're going to feel a tiny little press like you're pressing a button. Just push it in, let it out, and then what it'll do is it'll reset. Now I'm using this for my PC. As of this recording, I don't quite have a PS5 yet because of availability, but it gets it going and pretty much good to go. And this will pretty much sync up. If you need to resync via Bluetooth, just hold down this button as well as the PlayStation button. Hold it down for about 10 seconds. It'll start flashing eventually. There it goes. Okay. That turns it off. Turn back on again, and now it's in Discover mode. So you hold down the PlayStation button for about 10 seconds to turn the controller off, and then hold down these two buttons, which is the little share button there, I believe it's called, as well as the PlayStation button for about 3 seconds, and it goes into Seek mode. If you have a Bluetooth enabled PC, it's fantastic. If not, of course, you can always hook it up via the USB-C. But again, if you have trouble with it and you need to reset it, just put a pin right here in this little hole and you're good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Remember, you're awesome. Never let the world tell you otherwise. Also, best controller so far. Peace.